Imagine this. You're floating in space looking down at Earth, just a fragile blue marble against the infinite black. It feels peaceful, silent, almost sacred. But what if I told you that in that silence, an invisible storm is raging all around you? A storm so relentless and so powerful that it's bombarding you every single second. This storm isn't an alien invasion, it's not a meteor shower, it's something you can't even see. We call them cosmic rays, high energy particles born in exploding stars and violent galaxies, racing through space at nearly the speed of light. They don't glow, they don't roar, they don't give you any warning. But make no mistake, they are silent assassins. And for astronauts, they may be the single greatest danger of deep space travel. So let's peel back the curtain on this invisible menace. What exactly are cosmic rays? What do they do to the human body? And most importantly, can we ever protect ourselves from them? Picture this. You're floating outside the International Space Station, tethered to the hull. You feel weightless. The Earth spins quietly beneath you. Everything seems calm. But right now, as you're marveling at the view, billions of high-energy particles are tearing straight through you. Cosmic rays are born in cataclysmic events across the universe. Supernova explosions, black hole jets, even distant active galaxies. These particles, mostly protons, some heavier nuclei are accelerated to unimaginable speeds, close to the speed of light. Then, they travel across the universe and slam into anything in their path. Planets, spacecraft, and yes, astronauts. Here's the unsettling part. You can't see them, can't hear them, can't feel them. But they're there, raining down constantly. On Earth, we don't worry about them much. Our thick atmosphere and magnetic field act as an invisible shield, deflecting and absorbing most of these atomic bullets. But once you leave that protective bubble, once you step into deep space, you're exposed. So what happens when a cosmic ray particle hits an astronaut? It's not like being struck by a laser beam or an X-ray machine. It's more like a microscopic demolition derby inside your body. When a high-energy particle rips through, it collides with atoms in your cells, shattering DNA strands, damaging proteins, and creating cascades of secondary radiation. One strike can trigger a chain reaction of destruction on the cellular level. And the health effects? They're terrifying. Increased risk of cancer, accelerated aging, cataracts, damage to the central nervous system, possibly even cognitive decline. In other words, cosmic rays can silently rewire an astronaut's body and mind. What makes them even scarier is their power. Unlike many forms of radiation we deal with on Earth, cosmic rays are so energetic, they can punch through thick spacecraft walls. Lead, aluminum, it doesn't matter. These particles cut through almost everything we've tried to build. Right now, this problem feels urgent. Why? Because we are planning missions to Mars. Think about it. A round-trip mission to Mars would take at least 2 to 3 years. That's years in deep space without Earth's protective shield, exposed to an endless storm of cosmic rays. The longer the journey, the greater the damage building up in the astronauts' bodies. Studies suggest that by the time a Mars crew returns, their cancer risk could be dangerously high. Neurological effects could impair their decision-making mid-mission. Even their heart and blood vessels might be compromised. In short, cosmic rays aren't just a health problem. They're a mission killer. They could put the entire dream of human exploration on Mars at risk before we even set foot there. So how do we fight back? Can we shield astronauts from these invisible assassins? That's the billion-dollar question. Scientists have tried thick metal shielding. But here's the problem. Cosmic rays are so powerful that when they hit heavy metals, they actually create secondary radiation, basically making things worse. It's like trying to stop a bullet by smashing it against another bullet. Other ideas sound straight out of science fiction. What if we surrounded spacecraft with powerful magnetic fields, mimicking Earth's magnetosphere to deflect incoming radiation? Or what if we built ships out of advanced composites, hydrogen-rich materials, even water walls, that could absorb particles without creating dangerous byproducts? These are exciting ideas, but none are easy. Magnetic shielding requires colossal amounts of energy. Advanced materials are still in experimental stages. And for now, no one has cracked the code. Shielding against cosmic rays is like trying to hold back a hurricane with an umbrella. Here's why this matters so much. Cosmic rays aren't just a problem for astronauts, they're a problem for the future of humanity in space. If we can't solve this, our dreams of living on Mars, exploring asteroids, or sending humans to the moons of Jupiter might stay dreams. But if we do find a solution, if we can shield ourselves from this invisible storm, it changes everything. Suddenly, long-duration missions become possible. Human colonies beyond Earth become realistic. The entire solar system could open up to us. And maybe that's the ultimate irony. The very universe that tries to stop us with cosmic rays might also push us to innovate beyond anything we've imagined. Conquering this invisible threat could define the next great leap for humanity. So the next time you picture an astronaut floating peacefully in space, remember, space isn't empty. It's alive with danger, an invisible storm of particles fired from the hearts of dying stars. Cosmic rays, the silent assassins of the universe. They've shaped the limits of where we can go and how far we can dream. But maybe, just maybe, cracking the mystery of cosmic rays is the key to unlocking our true destiny among the stars. Because out there, beyond Earth's protective bubble, the greatest enemy isn't something we can see, it's what we can't. If you liked this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to channel where I always strive to provide you information about amazing space facts.